Yo, we back for another video. This is your boy RTZ, and this is the Jack All Trades channel. If you haven't already, please make sure you like, subscribe, share, all that. We back for another one. This is gonna be a quick video. I'm gonna try to make it as quick as possible. My fog lights went out a couple months ago. Well, one of my fog lights. I'm gonna show y'all real quick. One of my fog lights went out, so we're finna go ahead and fix that and change out the bulbs. Yeah, man. So I got this fog light is out. The bulb, and it's actually the whole harness that plugs into the bulb. So we're gonna go ahead and change the harness. We're gonna go ahead and wire this up. Then we're gonna change the bulbs. We're gonna change both bulbs, one harness, because one of the fog lights is working fine. So it ain't no need to change both harnesses. So I'm gonna end up getting some new fog lights soon anyway. This gonna come with harnesses and everything, so there ain't no need for that. If you need the part number, here it is. I know y'all like asking part number. It's the part number, man. 2006 Silverado 9906. Y'all know the drill, man. Sierra, Subaurban Tahoe, all that good stuff. There's a part number right here. This is for the harness. If your fog lights went out, you might want to get up under there, see what's going on. It might be a simple fix. So what I'm gonna use for this job, man, I'm gonna use these right here, and the wire cutters. And shit, man, that's probably it. I got some black tape. I keep this type of stuff around, man, because I'm always having little wire problems, for the most part, my trailer, the little light plug on the trailer, man. Sometimes I forget to plug it up and I might end up running over it, so I gotta rewire it again. You know what I mean? So I do that once every 6 months probably. So I just try to keep this type of stuff around, man, to make sure I'm able to get the job done. Got some more LEDs. I really want to see if these match the ones that's in there, but I'm gonna go ahead and put in both new ones. So we're finna get down up under here. I'm finna show y'all real quick what's going on, and then I'm gonna go ahead and swap it out. I ain't gonna let y'all see the process, but I'm gonna let y'all see it before and after. All right, so look, here go the harness. This is the problem. It's burnt up. Burnt out somehow. I don't know what happened. Probably because I laid my fog lights on a lot. It didn't affect the bulb, so I really don't even got to change. I ain't even got to change. I ain't even need these bulbs for real. I might send them back. Or I might give them away, man. Somebody needs some LED fog light bulbs. Send me a message on IG. My IG is, you will see the same logo on my YouTube. Just hit me. I ain't got no pictures or nothing on my IG, but just hit me. I'll send them to you. So I don't even need the bulb. You feel me? It wasn't nothing wrong with my bulbs. This was the problem. So yeah, I'm finna fix this up real quick and let y'all see how it look. All right, so we got it hooked up. So all I did was, that's the new harness right there. Still got it looking good in the protector. All I did was, so this harness was black and blue. That harness was black and red. So off the rip, black and black go together. Those are grounds. So this blue had to be, the positive. So I just hooked the blue and the red up together, and I hooked the black on black, and everything should work fine. All I needed was this. I used my I couldn't find my small scissors, but I used my big boys, and I used the sanitizer to clean off the wires, because they were dirty. You know what I mean? Just running through mud and through puddles of water, you know, just get dirty. So I just cleaned it off real quick. Yeah, there it is. I'm gonna clean off this harness real quick. Hold on. All right, there you go. I tried to clean it up a little bit so it wasn't just so dirty. But there it is, man. We got it all back wired up. Now we're gonna plug this thing in. Booyah. I just heard that click, so it's in there. I just heard that click, so it's in there. It's over the top. Right there. Yeah. Still a little bit of this sticking out, but it's all good. So we're gonna go ahead and crank it up, man, and see if they working. Hold on. All right, man, we back online. We back online, man. Fog lights back popping. I like that. I like my fog lights, man. I like these crispy whites. I thought these were gonna be crispy white, but they ain't. But it is what it is. I like the setup. I like the I guess the top ones would be crispy white. I don't know, but I like the setup. You know what I mean? I don't want it to look the same. High beam, low beam, and the fog lights. I like the amber for right now. And yeah, man. Fog lights back popping. Look at that. I feel like this one a little brighter with that harness for sure. Probably change that harness out, but it is a little bit brighter for sure. It's a little bit brighter, just a tad bit. Can't really tell that much, but it is a little bit brighter. Oh no, it's probably the same thing. I need to go get a wash. I'm gonna go get a wash and let y'all see. Yeah, but we back online, man. If you haven't already, make sure you like, subscribe, share. It just help you out any. And I appreciate it, man. This is the joke. Here we are.